Welcome to the John A. Roebling Bridge QR Code Tour, Station Number 1. The John Roebling Bridge is designated as a National Historic Landmark and a National Civil Engineering Landmark. This bridge is the predecessor and sometimes referred to as the prototype for the famous Brooklyn Bridge that was John and Washington Roebling's masterpiece. The Roebling Bridge was a state-of-the-art, high-technology wonder that put Cincinnati and Covington on the world map when it was formally opened for public use in January 1867. The bridge was the longest bridge in the world based on the 1,057-foot center span when it opened. The bridge remained the longest in the world until the Brooklyn Bridge was completed 16 years later. The bridge today has a slightly different look from the original construction. In 1895, 28 years after the bridge first opened, a major reconstruction of the bridge was undertaken to increase the load carrying capability of the bridge. This was because of the increased weight of electric streetcars that were using the bridge. The reconstruction work involved the addition of a second pair of suspension cables and was completed in 1899. Another reason the bridge looks different today is the color of the metal portions of the bridge. The metalwork was originally painted Spanish brown, and it was later changed to the light blue that you see today. Near tour station number 1, you will see the anchor houses. These are the long stone buildings at the ends of the bridge where the suspension cables are anchored into the ground. In each anchor house, the cable end is connected to a chain of 10-foot-long eye-bar links that arc nearly 50 feet downward into the ground to a large anchor plate held in place by tons of stone backfill. There are 2 anchor houses at each corner of the bridge, one for each of the 2 suspension cables. On the Ohio side, the anchor houses do not sit next to each other because they were separated by Water Street in the 1890s. More detail on the suspension cables will be presented at tour stations 2 and 3.